Welcome to YouTube channel Life Skills. Please like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Please press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills. The havoc of coronavirus has spread throughout the world. People are very disappointed during lockdown. Some people had incidents of increased death rate by coronavirus and committed suicide. Some fell seriously sick. Some researches and findings were shown by news channels claiming that coronavirus would end till late July or August first week in the previous year. However, these news bites were later on refuted by the channels. We are learning to live with coronavirus COVID-19. Practically, it is true that we shall have to lead a lifestyle wherein we can perform all our actions but with due care and cautions. As we all have been very liberal and less disciplined from childhood, we need to understand that lockdown or staying at homes is safer for our good health and long life. And there is nothing better than to be tidbit of death. So remove apprehensions and suspicions. Only awareness is essential. But do not worry too much. Although in this year corona vaccine has entered the market and thousands of people have been vaccinated, and notwithstanding this fact, many people are still suffering from coronavirus after vaccination too. The insecurity of life is prevailing everywhere. With a view to alleviate lockdown boredom and frustration during corona pandemic, let us talk about removing corona pandemic stress in day-to-day life. With strong motivation through stories, we shall discuss one story every day. Some of stories you might have heard or read in the childhood, but I shall present the story with different and new perspective to fight with coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic without being upset or annoyed. Let's discuss who is the most beautiful person. Hey, did you see the dress of that actress in the movie? How beautiful she is! It would be nice if I had looks like her. Every woman is desirous that she look or appear gorgeous, and everyone has its own standards to assess the level of beauty. You wish to look beautiful like models, actresses, or the Miss World and the Miss Universe. You wish to wear attires like them. You aspire to appear gorgeous by using the same brands they use. Do you really want to be beautiful? Do you know the real standards of the beauty? Let us discuss a story which I heard in the childhood. Once there were four girls sitting near a water reservoir to fill their pitchers. In those era, ladies used to go to fetch water from water reservoir. These four girls were very beautiful. They were comparing their hands as to whose hands are more beautiful. In the meantime, a sage came there. He was thirsty. He requested them to quench his thirst, but they were busy with the discussion regarding beauty comparison of their hands. All these girls asked the same, please let us know whose hands are more beautiful. The sage said, it is scorching heat, and please quench my thirst first. Then only I shall be able to tell you anything in this regard. But the girls kept on talking about who is more beautiful. Immediately after the discussion ended between the sage and the girls, another girl came to the sage, showed her reverence towards him, and offered some water and fruits to the sage. The sage, after satisfying his thirst and hunger, became normal than his previous condition of sickness and the heat. The sage turned towards the four girls and said, look, this is the prettier girl than all of you. The four girls became furious and asked as to how the sage could declare an ordinary girl more beautiful than all of them. They screamed, that girl does not possess expensive jewelry, she wears ordinary clothes. Then why he said that the simple girl is more gorgeous? The sage smiled and said, that person is considered beautiful who understands others and helps according to their needfulness. Politeness, generosity, helping and kind nature makes a person most beautiful. A beautiful person never forgets to beautify the family. A beautiful person makes the society beautiful by his or her virtues. The sage comprehended his definition of beauty among the four girls. Ask yourself whether we understood the definition of the beautiful person by this story as to who is more beautiful and what real beauty is. The beautiful person wears the most precious ornaments of good moral values and is clad with the beautiful cloth of compassion. I do not deny if you wear beautiful dresses and expensive ornaments, but do not forget your responsibilities towards elders, subordinates, and the society in the ego of being beautiful. Humanity is the most precious ornament that every human being should possess. You will look the most gorgeous person with good moral values, human sentiments, and kindness. That the beauty of the Miss World and the Miss Universe will be nothing before you. During the lockdown, enhance your beauty either with homemade things or expensive brands. It is altogether your choice. But do not forget to take care of those persons in need around you, either financially or by other means like providing food or and drugs to them. The satisfaction you will feel after serving others will make you everlasting beautiful. All the best. Stay connected with YouTube channel Life Skills. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills.